To be able to fix Facebook not showing pictures, you need to firstly close your Facebook app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone here, as you can see. Then just scroll down and click on apps right here. This is the first thing we need to check. And then search for Facebook right here. Search for Facebook and click on the Facebook app. So some of you will have photos or pictures right here that you can click on. So click there and make sure that you select that Facebook is actually able to access your pictures. You can just select maybe all of them or just a few of them, of course. It's completely up to you. But if you don't have this section right here, as you can see, I don't have that section where it says pictures, and you still want to be able to fix this problem, well, then we need to go back actually to this page right here on settings, scroll up and click on general, and then click on storage right here. Then you're just going to wait for this one right here to complete the loading process. So you're just going to wait. You can see now if we swipe up, you can click on search for Facebook right here and click on the Facebook app. Now click on upload app, and once again in here click on upload app. Now just wait a couple of seconds for this one to say reinstall app and click right here. So you need to now wait for your Facebook app to finish this update process. You can see it's updating right now, which is completely perfect basically. So wait for it to finish, and after it's done, go back and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.